your belly? Where's your belly? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth?
Amber, where's your teeth?
Well, that's great, Ernie. Oh, that's good.
Annabelle, where's your teeth?
Good girl. Where's your
belly button?
Where's your belly button?
Beep.
Where's your tata?
Where's your hiney?
Shake your hiney. Give mommy high five. Give mommy elbow. Yeah.
2 elbows.
Give mommy dukes.
Princess Duke.
Duke.
Oh.
Can mommy have a kiss?
Give mommy kisses.
Give mommy a kiss.
Give mommy a kiss.
Rejected.
Annabelle.
Give mommy a kiss.
Right.
Give mommy a kiss.
Hey, Annabelle. Go rah.
What do lions do?
Annabelle.
Where's your belly button?
Where's your belly?
Where's
Oh. Is somebody coming? She can't get it.
Don't fight me.
There's a... I'm so glad I got that.
Annabelle.
What is that? Wait, how old is she right now?
18 months.
18 months.
That's a year? 6 months.
There's Charlie breaking it down for us. Thanks. Clap. Wait, what else does she do? Where's your feet?
Tata?
Where's your hair?
She does say tata.
Where's your tata?
That's your hair, yeah.
Where's your tata?
Where's your tongue?
Yeah, we taught it. Where's your tatas?
What's that?
Where's your hiney? Where's your hiney?
Shake your hiney. Oh, well.
Where's your tongue? Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Where's your hiney? Where's your hiney? God.
Hi, Maggie.
Yeah, don't really.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi, Charlie. Great. Hi, Ernie. Come here.